PTE templates not working. Did you see a recent video by any institute which said that the Write Essay template is not working? Well, you should not be surprised. Since so many months we have been saying that in the essay writing task of PTE, it is very important to write original content. Now some other institutes have suddenly, awoken or arisen from their slumber, and suddenly they are trying to, pressurize students by saying that old templates won't work, may not work. Well, we since day one have been telling since so long that don't repeat the same topic sentence 3 to 4 times in the essay. Obviously the PTE software will penalize you on content if the sentence structure is not good. So whichever template you use, whether it's our template or any other institute's template, good luck to you, but make sure that you use proper compound sentences or complex sentences at least 2 to 3 times in the essay. I'll just give one example of a compound sentence. On the one hand, comma, proponents claim that, then you write a sentence, comma, and you add one more sentence. So instead of writing a simple sentence which says, something and just put a full stop, just put comma and add one more sentence. That way the sentence becomes compound, and a compound structure has more weight in the writing score than a simple structure sentence. So that is one tip for Write Essay. Don't fall for rumors. Use your own common sense. Whichever template you're using, it does not guarantee that you'll get good marks or full marks. You need to know the correct method of using the template, and that's what will get you a full score. You can scroll through so many scorecards on our TikTok channel, on our Instagram and YouTube channels, and you'll see so many students getting 90, 89, 88 with the help of our templates. Why do they get it? Because we check them, we give them daily feedback for their homework, which is one-to-one feedback. You can enroll in our guaranteed PTE, IELTS and NAATI courses. Just visit our website oneaustraliagroup.com and you'll get the best deals, and you'll get your 100%, you'll get your desired score in the first attempt. We promise that. Right now, good offers are going on. Make sure you join a reliable institute, a reputable institute. We also offer face-to-face classes in case if you're in Melbourne, and for every other city except Melbourne, you can enroll with us with the help of online classes. Make sure you follow us. Comments in the section which video you want next. I'm Malcolm. Thank you.